Hello, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys, where we teach the little guy and girl how to utilize charts to manage their own trades and investments. What do I mean by the little guy and girl? Well, we just had 2 directives signed halting the implementation of a rule that requires financial advisors to act in the best interests of their client. Let that sink in a little bit. The big wigs on Wall Street can play with your retirement and hard-earned money without your best interests at heart. We currently have hundreds of members taking charge of their financial future, and we would love for you to come check out a free week with no credit card required to see if our services would be beneficial on your path to financial independence as well. What we offer, we have a separate course of over 5 hours in length on when to enter and exit positions. And in terms of what we do daily, we have nightly videos, key levels updated each morning before the bell, 2.5 hours of live daily webcam coverage in the morning and in the afternoon, and over 7 hours of educational videos. All of these links can be found in the description of this video. Come check us out. Thanks for watching. Let's get on to the technical analysis. Hey everyone, checking in on the tech sector, XLK, Apple, and Facebook. So the tech sector did see a little bit of weakness here following through with yesterday. We broke the low of yesterday, but we held the low of the week, 52.94. We bounced off of 52.96. So we are keeping the bulls in control. Look where we closed. To the penny on the middle Bollinger Band yet again, holding it for the 4th day in a row. This middle Bollinger Band is keeping the bulls in control. And we keep seeing where the tech sector takes a little breather and it sees some weakness, the financial sector sees some strength, and vice versa. There's really, they're tag teaming the market here and holding it up and keeping the bulls in control. So as long as the bulls can hold 52.94 tomorrow, I would say that's a victory for the tech bulls. If we lose that level, that's going to give us bearish momentum heading into next week. So 52.94 is the support level I'm watching into tomorrow. And if the bulls break 53.25, they remain in full control and keep that middle Bollinger Band support, very likely. The weekly time frame, we're seeing this on a lot of individual names. Bearish reversal candlestick 2 weeks ago, negated last week. Bearish reversal candlestick again this week. Can the bulls negate it a second week or a second time in a row? Absolutely they can, but we're going to be watching very close, and we're going to be skeptical. I'm going to be skeptical of the bulls. They have to prove that they can maintain their supports and not lose these exponential weekly supports, which have held since the start of the year, since 4 months now. If we see loss of these exponential supports and confirmation of that bearish reversal candlestick, the normal healthy consolidation, which has not occurred in over 3 months, will be due. So tomorrow's a pretty big day, 52.94 on watch. Apple confirming the bearish reversal candlestick from yesterday, closing near the low of the day. So key support on Apple is 143. I've got support at 143.01, 05, and 17 3 times this week. If we break 143, we're testing the middle Bollinger Band, which has held for over 3 months, and that level is going to be just under 142. So 143 key support, lose that. Middle Bollinger Band comes next. Weekly time frame, same thing as XLK. Bearish reversal candlestick negated. Bearish reversal candlestick forming again. We have not seen any kind of significant or even insignificant consolidation in the past 4 months. We are due. We are absolutely due for that in Apple. Even though we're in blue sky breakout, we need to pause and consolidate, and that has not happened yet. So we'll be watching exponential supports next week. We'll be watching to see any bearish reversal candlesticks, or confirmation, I should say. But Apple is not going to confirm any weekly bearish reversal candlestick unless we lose that middle Bollinger Band support. And Facebook's the same thing. Facebook, a bearish day and a close near the low. So both Apple and Facebook are closing weaker than the tech sector itself did. So Facebook closing near the low, support on Facebook is 140.82, and the middle Bollinger Band is going to be right at that level tomorrow, just under it. If we lose the middle Bollinger Band for the first time in over 3 weeks, or 3 months, I should say, that would stand out as a red flag for the bulls, and we would be looking at potential bearish reversal candlestick confirmation next week. We've been holding the 4-period exponential moving average support all of 2017. If we were to see some further pullback and a loss of the daily middle Bollinger Band, we would lose that 4-period exponential for the first time in 2017. So again, I'm not calling for a dump here in the tech sector. I'm not looking for a long-term pullback. I'm looking for normal, healthy consolidation on these weekly time frames, and that could only last, 1 or 2 weeks. It's just certainly due, and if you're a long-term bull, you could care less about this normal, healthy consolidation that could be coming here. If you're looking years out, then this consolidation means absolutely nothing. Both of these names could lose 5 to 10% and still be in an extremely strong uptrend on the weekly time frame. So that's what we've got heading into tomorrow, 52.94 key support. We'll check back in over the weekend. See you then.